Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you. Now, one of them is really, really important because chances are you already know about this Steffi doll number 2 and with her matching dies, and you know about Steffi doll number 1 with her matching stamps. So it's only obvious that we needed a Kenny doll. Am I right? Yes, I'm right. Of course, because we have to have a Kenny doll. So here we have our Kenny doll, and he has a cute little doggy himself. Now, my doggy was actually Tiffany's dog, Petey, because it's a little weenie dog. His doggy is actually Beamer. Now, who is Beamer? Beamer is my neighbor's dog, whom I love. I posted Beamer on my Instagram one time because Beamer is like a big cookie, and literally is a big cookie, and I love Beamer. So this is Beamer with Kenny, and it says best buds and forever friends with the leash. Now, this leash, as you know, with the Steffi doll, could also be turned upside down to be a golf club. Oh, isn't that awesome? Okay, and I have amazing samples to share with you, as well as here's the dies. Now, it does come with a doggy die. I cannot find mine. I just organized mine a new way, thanks to Tiffany, and we'll be talking about that later, so you can see how awesome this die storage is. And now I will never lose my dies like I lost that one. So now I'm going to start being more organized, thanks to my BFF Tiffany. We are also sending out a release of, this is called Lots of Hellos to Stamp. Now, this one is really important because it has lots of just hello. Sometimes you just need a hello stamp. So we have hello, hello my friend, hi, which my design team went crazy on that hi. Hello sunshine, bonjour. If you are brave enough to say goodbye, life will reward you with a new hello. You had me at hello, holla. And hello weekend, I'm happy to see you. And I have amazing samples from my design team. Let's get started. So as I mentioned, my design team went crazy with that circle high because it fits on all the circles that we have. So it fits on the scallop circle that's like lacy. It of course fits on our exclusive Flip It die. You know I love my Flip It's. Flip It die. It also fits perfectly on our stand-up die. See that high again? And with my ink pads, I have to mention, with my ink pads are a solid surface. Let me see if I can grab one. They're a solid surface, so when you stamp, you're only getting that solid surface. You're not getting that felt pad where it's got lines and threads and things in it, and you stamp it, and then you have threads on your the image of the thread on your stamp. No, no, no. These are nice and solid, and it's a foam. It's not even a sponge. It's a foam that has no little dots on it or no little holes like a sponge. So you're going to get a nice solid image. And I don't talk about my ink pads enough just because I brought them out so long ago, but I know they're new to some of you. The price can't be beat, especially if you're a club member, but the solid part of it. So I just need you to check out one. Buy one and you're going to fall in love. They're dye ink, so they dry very quickly, which is nice because when you stamp it and you accidentally touch it, you don't want the ink to smear, and it doesn't. So it's really nice. So there's a cute one. So that's why my design team's getting those nice, solid, dark images. Now here's a cute one. Hello, sunshine. If you're brave enough to say goodbye, life will reward you with a new hello, which is cute. Oh, and here's a beautiful hi with our, oh, I love this background stamp. I love it. Oh, and then here's one with a fun hello, that great big hello in that stamp set. Awesome set. It's very versatile too. Now, let's look at the Kenny dolls. Let's save that one for later. Oh my goodness gracious, birthday. If you have a little boy in your life that is having a birthday with our balloons to cut and our little pieces from one of our online classes, is that adorable or what? And it has a hashtag happy birthday to you, which is so cute. Here's one with Kenny and Steffi together with their 2 little doggies going for a little walk, and we walk all the time, so that's perfect. Oh, here's one with Ken by him. Well, this is not Ken because this one's darker skin, but you can do the skin any color you want. So you make it match your family or your friends. We've moved, and come see us, which is so cute. You can give the new address. Oh, here he is wearing our cute little sunglasses from the pineapple. I love that cute little frog, and it looks like he's fishing. Here's another one, taking Beamer for a walk, best buds. I'm going to have to give Beamer's daddy one of these, aren't I? Oh, here's a cute little one of Stephanie and Ken holding hands going for a walk. And then on the inside just says, love you. That's cute. Here's a cute one where the designer, who is this? Vanessa, good job. Vanessa just took part of Kenny and put it so she's holding the dog, which is really cute. Here's another one. Oh, this one's cute. This one's using action wobble, so this little doggy's really going for a walk. Isn't that cute? I love that. I love that. Forever friends, but look how cute that is with an action wobble. Now, this one is my favorite. Kristen designed this one for Ken and Stephanie, and actually it's been on display in our living room for family room. We don't have a living room. Family room for quite a long time, and it was just a nice little card that she sent to us, and it says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct your paths. Proverbs 3:5-6. So she sent this, and she wrote a nice little message to us. And so this one's really fun. She has a little cross on Ken's t-shirt and a little heart on mine, and it says, have faith, which is really fun. So this one, Kristen, is probably going to go back in our family room on the table. Club members, of course, you get the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, you need to go join ASAP because you want a 15% or even a 20% discount on these products. Am I right? I'm right. Now, if I went too fast on any of these, don't worry. You can go to our website on the online gallery and go see even more of these projects, as well as you can print them out if you want to. You can save them to your favorites. You can keep them forever and ever. Isn't that fantastic? Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.